Okay, I thought I'd try to do something a little different here now. Earlier it was a Mauser. Now it's a high point in 9mm. That'd be the 995. Ooh, it's a black rifle. Maybe it will load itself. Like the anti-gunners fear they do. It's not the people behind the guns, according to them. Gotta punch the gun instead of the criminal. Well, let's watch this and see if it loads itself, because the magazine is right there and it has a few freedom seeds in it. We'll see. I'm gonna step back and enjoy my coffee. You got your coffee yet? This is the second video I've done. First one was on that Mauser. It didn't do nothing. That was a failure. Here I was trying to help them out and say, hey, they do things on their own. But they don't do nothing but just sit there and collect dust. You see any dust falling on it yet? Any rust forming yet? I hope this one's not a failure too. Gosh, it must be the people behind the gun instead of the gun itself. It's just sitting there. According to the anti-gunners, if we didn't have guns, there'd be no crime. I don't see the gun doing anything criminal but sitting there. Maybe it's just mine being defective. What do you think? I'm going to grab another swig of the coffee. Dadgummit. At least I got coffee. Have any of you tried this kind of experiment with yours? See if they do it on their own? Mine aren't even haunted. Gee. Well, doggone it, I guess this is another failed experiment. Those anti-gunners are going to be weeping because it didn't load itself and go out and do any shooting by itself. Must be the person behind it that has a mental breakdown, which, you know, they used to have places that helped people with mental incapacities. They used to be able to keep some of them too. Then they passed some laws where they can't seem to turn people in for mental incapacities, and they're turned out on the streets. Well, like, share, and subscribe, and share this video like a kindergarten class shares the common cold. And I guess we'll do a different type video for you, because doggone it, this didn't do nothing at all. Bye-bye.